Amazing! Amazing! Welcome to India's least watched pop culture podcast.
Rohan and I have a podcast on YouTube called Binge O'Clock. We celebrated our 50th episode, okay? 50th episode where we performed for a live audience for 50 people who didn't know we did a podcast. So we said we'll take it one level higher and perform for 300 people who don't know we have a podcast. So it's nice to be here. Delhi, now let's just...
We just had you hostage before cosplay, so it's going to take advantage of it.
Yeah.
Get some good pictures.
I'm sorry, let's just get a few things going. Okay, first things first, can we get some energy going?
Like, I want to hear the sort of energy you would have had if they actually released all of Attack on Titan at the same time. Now we're talking, not like Attack on Titan, Dovara Part 4, Part 2, the final part.
Part 20. Okay, let's do a quick survey before we start, okay? Just before we start. So Rohan and I, we are hardcore geeks, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to do something called unpopular opinions, okay? And we're going to ask you guys for your unpopular opinion. We will give the mic to y'all, and y'all can give your unpopular opinion. Now listen. Your opinion has to be triggering. You have to say things that will make people go, isko chaku maar dalunga. Stop, I'll give you an example.
But okay, one sec. To be clear about pop culture.
About pop culture.
Anything.
No.
I don't just stand up and be like, unpopular, I hate my mom. Nobody cares.
Yeah. Your dad is there like, I agree. Alright? And we need your energy. Audience, we need your energy also. Whoever gives their opinion, support them. If you're sure, you can say yes.
You can disagree, it's a safe space. You can disagree safely, you can agree safely. But whatever's in your heart about pop culture, whatever you feel like, I want to say this, but my friends won't let me say this. Today, you can say it.
Yeah.
Okay? Please know, with no judgment, today you can say it.
I'll give you an example. I liked Animal.
Which animal?
One person has seen Animal, he had a full shock in his body. I said I liked Animal, he went, ugh. I don't know if you guys heard that grunt in that corner. Has anyone seen Animal over here? Don't admit it publicly.
More people have seen Animal than Binge O'Clock. Good to know. Good to know. Hashtag Aukat.
Yeah, so that what I meant is an unpopular opinion.
Yes.
Okay, because Animal, for all the people who don't know, is a movie that came out that has a lot of gun violence and a lot of misogyny. In fact, there is so much gun violence and misogyny that even people from Haryana were like, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया ना? थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. थप्पड़ वप्पड़
In Haryana, it was released as a rom-com. A delightful coming of age story.
That is their wake-up scene, you know.
Yes, there it's called Good Band.
So, this is what it is, okay?
Yes.
Unpopular opinions. We will ask you your opinion and we will discuss it. We will have fun. Please, let's just create a nice, warm environment. The first thing we want is an unpopular opinion about what? Movies?
Give us an unpopular opinion about movies, and to make you all feel comfortable, I will start off, I will wade into this with no problem at all. Spider-Man No Way Home was okay. Real? Yes, there we go.
I like it. Everyone is like, सही बोला.
सही बोला. Not unpopular, popular opinion. आजकल unpopular भी popular हो गया.
हाँ.
So yeah, go for it, guys.
So go for it. Does
If you
anyone
have a
have?
movie opinion, raise your hand. Yes, sir. No. You have an unpopular opinion.
Oh my God!
Oh yes.
Oh my God! That dude is cosplaying as Ori.
Everybody.
It is an Ori cosplay.
Everybody, yes.
Sir, आपका phone किस कहाँ पे है?
My God. Liver in chief.
उसके बाद
Yes, you're kidding. But yes, sir.
That kind of person, by the way.
What?
I hate that person, by the way.
Sir, don't hate anyone. No, that. हाँ, वो unpopular opinion है वो है. हाँ.
One Piece देखने वाले पेरेंट्स कहाँ रहे हैं?
हाँ बराबर क्या बात हो गया भाई क्या बात हो गया भाई रियल भाई रियल भाई इतना सच बोल क्या बोल दिया
Oh wow.
No One Piece. Everyone said, oh, people are.
Oh yes.
बराबर है.
Yes. What is your defense for One Piece?
One Piece isn't long enough.
Hey, have you been talking to my girlfriend?
ये लोगन पॉल को कहाँ से आया उसके बाजू में लेकिन सौरभ जोशी था। अरे और इसके बाजू में सौरभ जोशी था।
Everyone is like, this is why they
Saurabh
make
Joshi
it so quickly.
They watch a podcast.
Yeah. You're saying One Piece isn't long enough. Acha,
So you're saying 4,000 episodes is not enough?
No.
1,000. Oh, sorry, I was off by a factor of 4. 1,000 is so much better.
I tried. I've tried one. Have you tried One Piece?
No matter what.
I tried. I reached, I think, episode 100, and I was like, wow, बहुत ही clear. And then I checked online, and they're like, episode, they're still on 1,000. I think now he's in gear 5, right?
ये जोक
That's-
मारना चाहिए। तारक मेहता
But-
का एपिसोड कब
I
है?
think pop culture has this one friend where they have that one show where they will like, bro, trust me, episode 400.
देखो हाँ देखो
तू बस वो 400 episode तक पहुंच
हाँ,
गो।
हाँ.
Like this is me with Clone Wars, okay, bro. Season
प्रदीप
3. After you suffered for 2 seasons of 40 episodes, it gets amazing.
I mean, realize by the way,
वो
in
सौरभ जोशी
Comic
का
Con,
target
one thing
करना
that
चाहिए,
you
मजा ही
realize
आया।
is you can say
सौरभ जोशी
whatever
को
you want, but
target
anime
करना
के ऊपर
चाहिए।
कुछ नहीं बोलने का। Anime के ऊपर कुछ नहीं बोलने का,
Yes,
right?
that's yes.
Yeah,
Pradip
like-
Pillai.
Sandeep Wanga Reddy's next movie is called Anime. It's just people beating this guy for 3 hours.
Okay, we've got
Okay.
a One Piece opinion.
Yeah, come on. So
Interesting.
you know, people are like really like
आज के
very
परे
fly,
यार।
so we
आज
yes,
Pradip
yes.
Pillai,
अच्छा,
anime
now
को
you got
कुछ नहीं
courage.
बोलेगा।
Please, audience mic to this person.
Give him the mic.
फिर से?
You can say your name also, so if anyone wants to find you later and
Yeah.
like, you know,
I mean-
an issue with you.
I'm Aditya.
Hello, Aditya.
I don't know if it's unpopular or not, but I think Aaron was right.
You think Aaron was right? Brokovich.
गलत था।
Attack on Titan.
Sorry. I don't recognize the name when it's said.
नहीं
that.
बिल्कुल नहीं हट अंधभक्त
That is our Attack on Titan impression.
अंधभक्त
Just
है ये,
300
अंधभक्त है।
episodes.
अंधभक्त है वो।
Like Mikasa is basically Kajol from K3. Sorry, but it's just like that. Oh my God, someone please stop.
नहीं ये
With
अंधभक्त
respect.
है।
अंधभक्त
है भाई, अंधभक्त।
Oh, cool. Do you agree?
ईरन का
That's such a
अंधभक्त।
Delhi opinion, no?
That's a very-
हाँ, मान
हाँ ना
सबको।
वैसा तो डायनोस में राइट था फिर।
नहीं वैसे आर्मिन का भी सुनना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत।
हाँ ना बेचारा आर्मी।
Yeah, agree.
Yeah,
disagree.
okay, Aaron was okay, but in general, alright. So now that you
Hello.
approach this subject, how do we feel about the Attack on Titan finale? People who say "Yeah, give me a cheer." People who say "give me a cheer."
सेम ही लोग दोनों बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ, same ही लोग।
एपिसोड ठीक था क्या? ऊपर नीचे ये नहीं सब कुछ ऐसे ही।
Part 1 was amazing, but part 3 was not amazing.
Yeah.
Like that's how it was. Okay.
Okay,
next.
before we move on, I'm going to need some more energy from you all. Okay, this level of he's giving his opinion. No one was angry. Everyone like, हाँ ठीक है. No one
This is
said
what happens when you play
Yeah.
9 years for 4 seasons.
Yeah.
ऐसा
Let's get some energy
ना
going,
मजा
guys.
है
It's very important. You all need some energy. Otherwise, we'll have to go down into the crowd and then.
चिल्ला-
post
Like
it.
Attack on Titan.
भाई साहब, आराम
One
से.
second. Who is well? Okay, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
even I-
hello.
yeah,
Very good. Good to meet you, Mr. Bobby Deol.
जमल
त्यागी.
Oh my God. Oh.
बोलिए sir, what is your
बोलिए
opinion?
त्यागी जी.
I was said, someone said fans of One Piece are not working or anything. That's saying who spent 3-4 hours on his cosplay.
That is. Oh.
Fight! चलो, दंगा फसाद.
That's it. Come on, One Piece versus 3 Piece. Let's go. Right now.
He came with a vengeance.
Yeah.
He really thought that is all he do. He's like really. Interesting. Was that your opinion, sir? Okay,
Yes.
Very
yes.
nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yes. You have an opinion, sir. Yeah. No. Wait. Mike.
I think Attack on Titan is way too overrated. It's not as good as it is made out to be.
You come. High five.
अलग ही बोल दिया भाई
अभिनव can you just appreciate how अभिनव एक हाथ में माइक था दूसरे हाथ पे ऐसे खुजा रहा था अभिनव कैजुअली अटैक ऑन टाइटन हो या ये मजा आ गया बट इट्स ओवर अभिनव बड़ी फॉर दैट कुछ नहीं
रिस्पेक्ट
I disagree. Okay.
Yes.
I
वही
disagree.
बिल्कुल
If there are two
ओवररेटेड नहीं है
if there are two anime shows for me which I think are right up there, Attack on Titan and Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm sorry. Everyone else is like, ठीक है यार, and everyone, oh, Naruto नहीं देख रहा है, One Piece नहीं देख रहा है, please यार,
One
please.
Punch Man fan. Right. Like what a vibe Saitama is, right?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful. Like, you know what? Like, it wasn't even the punching. For me, you know what got me to One Punch Man? Most relatable superhero. He's always grocery shopping. I'm like, this guy gets me. On a spiritual level, he grocery shops and he wants to one punch everybody. This man gets me spiritually. Literally. Like, that's it. But yeah.
I think as anime, because I've just gotten into anime, I started watching, and everyone, because anime is one of those things that people go wild, you know.
Yeah.
Start frothing, okay? You go to anime,
No,
it's not-
I also just discovered anime. Like,
Yeah.
in the sense, I only recently found out that they also make hentai for children. Wasn't
क्या बात
hentai,
है?
everybody's clothes are always on and they go on adventures. That's crazy. And that's how I discovered Attack on Titan.
I can see that there are some young people in the audience tonight who was going to have a very
Who are,
interesting
yes,
Google
yes,
search
yes,
tonight,
yes,
you know.
yes. People in Mumbai just think hentai is someone's older sister.
कुछ ज्यादा
Okay, so we've got enough of movies. Let's break it up.
Movie, all opinions so far have been
Movies.
Anime
anime
only.
only.
थोड़ा TV show के ऊपर देते
हाँ,
हैं.
थोड़ा non.
Not the Friends office वाला.
Movies.
Give me something controversial, something different. Let's give it to that
Controversial.
ma'am over there. Ma'am in the, I don't know what that outfit
Ma'am,
is.
make us proud.
Yes, you.
Yes, ma'am, make us proud.
Next to the spec.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, behind you. There, in the jacket. Yes, you're constantly pointing me.
Yes,
me,
yes.
you.
Yes.
You.
This will upset Rohan.
No, it won't.
Rick and
You
Morty.
don't have that much power over me. What?
Rick and Morty is annoying.
Rick and Morty, annoying! You know, I hope you wake up as a pickle tomorrow. You know, I really hope you wake up as a pickle tomorrow.
I watched your podcast.
What?
I watched your podcast.
You watch our podcast? Okay, then you know what? I hope you wake up as a human who can still like, share, and subscribe. I wish you all the best in life. No gali at all.
No, what do you think? Rick and Morty is annoying? I mean, I personally believe that from the, okay, now this is an honest conversation, you all can join in and agree, disagree. As a former, I saw Rick and Morty before it was cool, okay? Before everyone was like, oh, Rick and Morty, everyone is like, oh, Rick and Morty. But the latest season sucks.
I don't think it sucks.
It's horrible.
On this, okay? I think that like you get with shows, they get sort of the first 3 seasons are always like this is the greatest thing ever, right?
Yeah.
It's like when South Park first started.
Yeah.
The first 4 or 5 seasons you're like this is revolution.
Yeah.
Now 20 seasons in, it's like, another episode of South Park. No, I think Rick and Morty just reached that stage in its life cycle where now it just is. And that's just, I don't think you'll ever get the sort of heights you got in the first 3 seasons. I don't think you'll have a pickle Rick again.
But I disagree. I'd still choose South Park over Rick and Morty.
No.
South Park.
No.
There are any South Park fans over here? Just 5 people. What am I watching? Why am I having such low support in my pop culture?
Gangsters know Futurama is the best satire.
मैंने कल्चर को बुला
What? What is
मैंने
streaming?
कल्चर को बुला पॉडकास्ट
Family Guy.
वो आगे
Look, man, there's only so many times you can hear the same big joke over 20 seasons. Like before it gets like this thing. But okay, there we go. Rick and Morty is annoying. It's fine. I forgive you. As the creator of the show, who has taken it so personally, I forgive you. Ma'am, I believe you had an opinion as well. Ma'am in the cool glasses. Ma'am in the mad scientist glasses.
Yeah.
There we go. There
Willy
we go.
Wonka glasses. No?
Willy Wonka glasses.
Willy Wonka glasses, yeah.
Yeah.
So it is about Chaja Chaudhary and Sabu.
Okay.
I think that they're more than friends also. I agree with you.
More than other things work
Yeah,
faster
I
than a
agree.
computer.
I don't have a single only friend who's always in my house naked and in chattis. Okay, I don't have a single friend who's
Also,
just always
I
lying.
mean, Sabu does look like Johnny Sins, so
100%.
again
Yeah.
a very niche reference for the 4 lonely Delhi men who are like, "Sahi bola usne, sahi bola."
When
Yes.
Sabu gets excited, also volcano explodes somewhere.
One
But
second.
yes, but
Matt,
sorry. What is your opinion?